Hunterz.io is excited to give you a tour of our new inbox. Let us show you how we plan to open more doors faster. Hunters like you will be receiving intro request notifications through your email. In your dashboard, you will see more information about the startups, including their introduction brief, so that you can make an informed decision about the request. Accepting or declining introduction requests is easy. If you accept an introduction request, you will be notified if you've been chosen by the startup. Once you've matched, you'll be able to chat freely with the startup in your dashboard. Easily schedule your overview call to kick off working on the intro. And don't forget that we have online confidential support. All of these improvements will make introductions more efficient and help your network to work harder for you. Hunterz.io. Let's open doors together.